Hello, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Today I want to teach you an amazing sound in Persian, me sound. We have numerous words with me and verbs. If you haven't seen the previous video for the sound, go and see the previous video and return back. Now let's go to me sound. Sound is mim. It's called mim in Persian, and its sound is me, exactly like m sound in English. Let's go to see how do we write me. We have me غیر آخر. Me آخر means me the initial and in the middle position, and me the last, which come at the end of the word. Let's see how to write me. Look at very carefully. Me is written in many ways. Like in English, we have also cursive, خوشنویسی in Persian. But I do teach you the way that most of the Iranian write the me sound, which is very easily. Me sound. We start on the line, go left, return back, and write a very beautiful circle and continue on the line. This is me غیر آخر, which comes at the beginning or in the middle. It takes the hand of the previous sound and the next sound. So, at the beginning and in the middle. But this me آخر only comes at the beginning. Look at the way I write. Exactly the same. We start on the line, we go to left, return back, and write a very beautiful circle and continue on the line and come down. Me آخر can take the hands of the previous sound but not the next. This is the last sound. Me غیر آخر, me اول, and me آخر. Let's go to the pictures to see what word we have with me. One of the most beautiful words is مادر. 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 And at the initial position. At the initial position we have also مداد. مداد. Again at the initial position. مداد. Again, in the previous lessons, we have learned mu. Mu. Look at how I connect me sound to u. You see the initial position. Mu. Hair. Mu. And me آخر, we have the word بادام. بادام, almond. The word بادام. me آخر, me اول, and me آخر. me اول, me آخر. If we make friendship between me and a, then we have ma. Then we have ma. Ma like مادر. 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 Me and a will be ma. Ma like a verb in Persian. آمد that you have learned آ. Now me and a and the. I write again to see how I connect me to the sound here. Very carefully. Look at here. We first write me, go to right, then go up, return back and complete the and a. آمد آمد. Now if we make friendship between me and u, then we have mu mu. Right, mu. And we have the connection between me and e. We have go to right, me and me. Me and me. Look at here. I write it again for you. We start here, go to left, return back, write me, then ای آخر. Me. This me is very important because this me is called in Persian می کاری. Me for work, for action. میخوانم، میخوابم، میخورم، میروم، مینویسم. Every present verb is written with me that I will teach you later in next videos. Your homework will be, look at the way I write or connect very carefully. We start here, go to left, return to right, a very beautiful circle and continue. Then again, go to left, return back, continue on the line and me آخر. Read aloud, don't forget. Then we have right by me a, we have learned آمد. آمد means came, past tense for to come. آمدن. آمد, for instance, بابا آمد. Father came. آمد. Then write بادام. Write مو. Write ma. Ma is we. That I will teach you in the lesson of pronouns. Me آمد بادام مو ما. Write very carefully, beautifully, and see you in the next video and next sound. Good luck.